I have an idea that could really work for the uninsured. First of all, doctors many times walk out of medical school with $250,000 in debt to pay back their undergrad and medical school education. A way they could pay that off once they have been a licensed physician and they pass whatever training they have to do, they could work in a clinic or a doctor's office, see these uninsured patients, partially insured patients, for free. They will get a $50 reduction in their loan. Or the physician himself could do it. He might have a huge debt buying vaccines, so he opened up an office and he has a huge loan to build the practice. This would be a great way where uninsured or poorly insured patients could be seen. Hospitals could extend that to themselves, get a reduction, say a building loan, something of that nature. You could extend that to nursing students, to pharmacy students. You could even do this in other fields, maybe certain types of educators with kids with disabilities. But it would be a nice way that someone could afford an education. Just think, if you're a poor person, you want to go to college, you thought, maybe I won't be able to pay back this loan, you could work it off. I think that's a pretty good idea. And I think it's a good idea for people who are uninsured get covered this way. And you know something? This is what this country is founded upon. We do nice things. And this is a country where people from whatever you are always thought, until recently, if you work hard, you can get ahead in life. That is quite in everybody's head right now because not everybody should even go to college. You have a job. But I think this idea might work.